Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In this episode, you'll get a comprehensive understanding of a critical issue that many maintenance and reliability teams grapple with: infant mortality equipment failure. We'll unpack this unique term, explore its common causes, and delve into its significant impact on your operations. Furthermore, we'll offer practical and effective strategies to tackle this challenge head-on, helping you enhance your operational efficiency and equipment reliability. Let's get started. We're diving deep into the concept of infant mortality equipment failure today. This term might sound a bit unusual in this context, but it refers to failures that occur when equipment is brand new or has just been serviced. Interestingly, the probability of failure is highest when the equipment is first started but decreases over time. We'll start by understanding why brand new or recently serviced equipment might fail. Often this happens due to a few common reasons. First, there could be issues with how the equipment was manufactured, assembled, or installed. Second, maintenance activities could introduce new parts with different tolerances or contaminants into a clean system, leading to failures. Lastly, poor design or improper restart procedures can also cause early failures. Now, why is this important? Experts believe that infant mortality is one of the most prevalent causes of equipment failure across industries. Recognizing and addressing these failures is crucial for improving equipment reliability and operational efficiency. We'll also explore some specific scenarios where infant mortality might occur and discuss how to prevent these early life failures. One common cause is when equipment is rebuilt by trade or craft personnel. For instance, a large gear train or electric motor might fail unexpectedly after maintenance due to poor workmanship or lack of adherence to standards. The solution here is to ensure that maintenance standards are strictly followed, procedures are improved or newly created, and staff are adequately trained. Another scenario involves replacing a failed component with a new or remanufactured one. Sometimes, the new parts don't fit perfectly or require more precise alignment, which can be challenging. Differences in tolerances or the quality of rebuilds can also lead to failures. Here, the key is ensuring the use of high-quality parts and training maintenance personnel to handle these components correctly. Additionally, when service actions invade a closed system, like changing a filter in a hydraulic system, it can introduce contaminants and lead to failures. Proper procedures and training are critical to prevent such issues. Now imagine the impact of addressing these issues effectively. By eliminating instances of infant mortality, equipment reliability could increase by as much as 46%. This improvement requires no expensive technology or consultants, just good procedures, well-trained staff, and quality parts. In summary, if you're looking to boost the reliability of your maintenance operations, start by tackling infant mortality. Analyze your maintenance data, identify patterns of early life failures, and implement the right strategies to mitigate them. This approach will not only enhance equipment reliability, but also contribute significantly to the overall success of your operations team. Thank you for joining us today. We've explored the concept of infant mortality equipment failure, its common causes, and strategies to mitigate it. Remember, understanding and preventing these failures is key to improving equipment reliability and operational efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about our tools and resources, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.